Good morning, Miss Nature. How do you like to be addressed?
Oh, Mother is fine.
Okay. So your file indicates you're seeking euthanasia today. Can you tell me what you find so intolerable that you're ready to end your life? You look pretty healthy and robust to me.
Oh, looks can be deceiving, Doctor, even if it doesn't seem like it from your perspective.
Can you tell me about your systems? How's your heart and your circulation?
Oh, my rivers and streams have been dammed for energy or been polluted. My lakes are polluted. My oceans have plastic garbage swirling around in them, and worse yet, it can get into the food chain.
Well, for goodness sake, what have you been taking?
Oh my goodness, antidepressants and opioids and anti-anxiety and birth control and Viagra for erectile dysfunction and thyroid medication and toxic shock medication and heart meds and sleeplessness and sleepiness
I'm sorry.
and lakes of alcohol.
Well, my God, it's a wonder you're not dead. Wait, Miss Nature, Viagra? Erectile dysfunction?
My point exactly. I mean, how much longer can I go on? I can't take all this stuff in my system anymore. Whew.
Well, we'll have to do some blood tests to confirm that. I'll get them ordered. But what about your respiratory system? You don't seem to have any trouble breathing.
Oh, that's sorely compromised as well. Did you know that the air in China is so smoggy that little children can't even go out and play? And the carbon load in my air has risen hundreds of parts per million since the beginning of time. And we've lost so much land in the last many years from the Amazon rainforest that there's just no more oxygen. I can hardly breathe.
What about your digestion? Any reports, any problems there to report?
Oh yes, the whole food chain is in crisis. Some say we're in the era of the sixth great extinction. My coral reefs are bleaching and crumbling, and you know, they're the building blocks for the tinier animals that are protein for the bigger species, and well, just terrible things have happened, and on the land and the air and the sea, the cows and the pigs and the chickens are fouling up the air and everything on the way to the table. It's just awful. It's just awful.
What about your skin? That looks to be in good shape.
Oh, looks are deceiving, Doc. In fact, huge patches are paved with petroleum, and my surfaces have been gouged and fracked. Look at this. And oil wells with their spills and slicks and environmental degradation, and there's ever more pressure to turn our natural preserves over to development companies so a few can hoard profits, and I just can't take it anymore, Doc.
We in the medical field, we don't condone self-determination. Self-termination.
Well, my temperatures are fluctuating wildly. We have volcanoes and heat waves, and then we have floods and freezing, and it's just too much to bear. I can't take it.
Well, I recognize your discomfort, Miss Nature. I could prescribe a new medication. I think you have anxiety and depression. The pharmaceutical reps were just here last week, and they dropped off the brand new, the most exciting product. Another major winner from Monsanto. And if you just suck on this pink side when you're feeling anxious, the nice colored pink will soothe you and calm you. And look, we have the orange side for sunshine to lift your depression. Isn't it a great looking pill?
I will not be sucking on your big pill.
Yeah, Mother Nature. Is that a bee? What's a honeybee doing in my office?
Oh, my poor honeybee, you look awful. Your colonies are all collapsing and oh my goodness. And I'm not looking for a way to adjust.
Looking for my fly swatter.
No, no, no. Oh dear, my honeybee.
Oh, go Cruelly Noland.
How dare you? You're the reason for this death
Now,
and my illnesses. Get this pill out of here.
No, Mother Nature.
No, you're not going to be
No, I could
treating
get
any
you
more
into the,
people. No, I do
institution
not need to be well adjusted to a sick system. No, you're going outside. You're not treating anybody else until you step out of this sick system. Go outside right now. In the air, in the water, and the bees, and the honey, and the flowers.